How to delete Twitter or X account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Twitter or X account permanently. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Twitter or X app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Support option. Expand it. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now choose your account at top of the screen. And you have to first deactivate your account in order to delete your Twitter or X account permanently. Tap Deactivate Account. Here are the few things you should know before deactivating your account. Once you have gone through this, tap Deactivate Account and enter your password. So you have to know that after deactivating your account, it will be remain deactivated for 30 days. If you don't log in during this time, the account and all your data will be permanently deleted. If you log in within the 30-day period, you can reactivate your account and the deletion process will be cancelled. So once the account is permanently deleted, all your tweets, followers, like and profile data will be erased and cannot be recovered. So enter your password, tap deactivate and wait until the period of 30 days and your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.